Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. It's been a long time since I've been out fishing mainly due to bad weather. But yeah, back out today. Me and my mate Max, we're just going to fish whatever, but I think we're going to aim for bass first, see if there's any about. Maybe do some pollocking, maybe a bit of jigging for codling or whatever. But yeah, it's been quite a couple of months or more since I've been on the water. The weather around on this coast hasn't been that good. It's wind and rain and rough seas, so this is the first opportunity I've had to get out. Roger that, over. Yeah, it's the first opportunity to get out and do some fishing. So I've got a big diving lure on at the moment, just seeing what's out there. The water's a little bit murky, sure, but it's a little bit clearer here. Yeah, we're going to see what's about and hopefully catch some fish. I know I've got a lot of new subscribers to the channel, so I'd like to welcome you all to the channel. If you like this sort of content and you like what I do, just hit that subscribe button, and if you hit that bell icon, it'll notify you every time I put a video out there. So yeah, so I'm going to paddle up here anyway, see what's about, see if we can find some fish. Oh, getting tangled up here. That was a good take. Oh, it's come off. Ah, does it come off? Oh, I don't know though. I can't feel it. But... oh yeah, no, it's still on. It's swimming towards me. Oh, that's a lovely bass. Switch the camera on. Look at that for a bass, hey? First 5 minutes. There he goes. We'll let the first one go. I'm going to keep a couple, but yeah, I'll see what else is out there. I'm really chuffed with that one, really chuffed. Right, all on that one. That's what I've been using. Not even 5 minutes, bang. Straight in there. We're in again. A bit smaller this one, but it doesn't matter. Little schoolie. Oh, Yeah, he swam back. That was good. If you're wondering why I throw them straight in, it gets the water rush through the gills and revives them a bit better apparently. Right, chuffed with that. Oh, I've just lost a bass. It's come off. That many. It's a shame. Oh no, it's still on. It's been swimming towards me. Oh, that's a good do. Little schoolie. Come here. Oh. Good, go on, not a very elegant way of bringing it in, but he's gone back. Well, so far I've had 3 bass, 2 small schoolies and a half decent one that I put back. Well, I put them all back, but he was a keeper, but I put him back. So I'll just see if I can catch any more. I think my mate Max, he's had a couple of small school bass as well, so they are about. There's quite a few seals kicking around, so that's not helping matters. So, I've moved down this area for seals, so it's not a very good sign. It's not good for fishing anyway, but it is what it is. Yeah, I'm going to have another paddle, but I've been back down there and there was nothing much going on down there, so I'm just going to have a paddle up here again and see if I can catch anything up here. It's a lovely day, it's quite warm actually. It's forecast to be overcast, which is a good thing for fishing. But yeah, it's getting back end now, it's almost November, it's end of October. Early November, well, it's November, a few days time, so yeah, I'm lucky to get out I suppose. I'm trying to sneak 1 or 2 more in, but it's been terrible weather-wise, really bad, as most of you lot will know who fish the East Coast, you know how bad it's been. And then when you get the odd day that's good, a bit like this, I'm usually working so I can't get out. But I'm taking the day off work today to try and get out and just try and see if we can catch out. Just a bit of fun, exercise, fresh air and all that. So yeah, so I've had 3 bass on that lime green deep diver. I've got a white deep diver on now. I'm going to try that, see if I can see if I have any joy with that one. If not, I'll go back on that one. There's a bit of soil erosion there, cliffs have collapsed, and then there's people on top. Last time I came it was full of seabirds, it stunk. There's not many now, they've all gone. Well, I thought I might have had a few more bass by now, some bigger ones as well. It's back end at season and usually they fatten themselves up for winter. I thought I might have been lucky enough to have a couple, but it's not looking that way. Whether they've gone out to deeper water because it's getting cooler now, I don't know. What does everyone think? Put your let me know in the comments box what you think, whether it's too cold for them now or whether they move out into deeper water. It'd be interesting to hear what you think, but There's a few small ones about, but not many big ones, to be honest. I did lose one off camera. I switched I got a bite and the rod went right round. I thought, ah, this is a good one, and by the time I faffed around trying to turn all cameras on to record it, it came off. So yeah, joys of YouTube. But yeah, it's there'll be the odd one about, but not as many as I thought there'd be more than this around. But I know the water's a bit mucky, but I've still caught bass before in mucky water, in dirty water. We'll see, we'll persevere and see what we can get. Fish on. It's only a little one. It was a strange take. I thought I'd snagged, because it's quite shallow here, and I thought I'd snagged up, and then started reeling in. I could feel something just tugging, but it's not. It'll only be a small schoolie. Yeah. That's a decent size one. I think, even though he's in size, I'm going to let him go, because I'm sure I can get something a bit bigger than that. Go on then. Let's have a look. Is he going back? Yeah, he's gone back. That's good. Yeah, we'll see if we can get something a bit bigger. It'd have been in size with that, but it's, yeah, something a little bit bigger. I'll let him grow a bit more. So yeah, that's number 4. Another small schoolie, I think. That's in the size to the last one. Just get my old feet back in. Maybe a tad smaller than the last one. Yeah, it is smaller than the last one. Come here. There he goes. coat on that one. It's the one that I've sprayed up. It's not a standard colour, I don't think. Well, you might be able to get it somewhere, but this is one I've been using a lot. It's had good results, good for pollock as well. So if you're into pollock fishing, top tip, get some of that colour. Well, we've got it a day now. We've got a few fish, it's been good. I thought we got some bigger bass than what we had. That's why I put that first one back. But I'm not bothered, you know. It's one of them things. I like bass, but I thought there'd be plenty more. So it's just as nice watching it swim off as what it is to eat. Well, I hope you enjoyed it anyway. I'd like to say I've had a few, Max has had a few small bass, and he's had a small pollock as well. So he's happy. So yeah, if you've got any questions or comments, stick them in the box below. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel and smash that bell icon. If you can, leave it a thumbs up because it helps the channel out. It gets noticed on YouTube. Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. They all say so. Yeah, it's working. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll